Okay, I've got angle A and angle B. They say angles A and B are acute. We can kind of see that already from the diagrams. And sine of A equals cosine of B. If the sine equals the cosine, that's our cofunction rule, that means the angles A plus B must be complementary. They must sum to 90 in degrees. So if A equals 4k minus 22, some expression in terms of k, and B is some other expression in terms of k, what is k? Well, we can set up our equation. 4k minus 22, we can substitute in for A, plus the 6k minus 13, we substitute in for B, and we know that equals 90. Now I have one equation, one variable, thanks to our cofunction rule. So combine like terms. 4k plus 6k is 10k. Minus 22 minus 13 is minus 35 equals 90. Add 35 to both sides. Try and isolate our k. We get 10k equals 55. Divide through by 10 on both sides. And k equals 5.5. What is the value of k? That's what they want to know. The answer is B, 5.5. No, it's not. And we can double check that. 5.5 times 10 is 55 minus 35. Oh, that's not right. I made a mistake. Oops. See, even your instructors aren't perfect. Guess what? I made a typical mistake. And you know how I found it? Here's a lesson to be learned. Check your results back into the equation. Let's redo this. Okay, I know 4k minus 22 plus 6k minus 13 equals 90. The sum of the angles A and B equal 90 because the cofunction rule indicates that these are complementary angles. Sine equals cosine. The angles must sum to 90 or be complementary. Here's where I messed up. 4k plus 6k is 10k minus 22 minus 13 is minus 35 equals 90. I added 35 to both sides, and for some reason I was subtracting 90 or subtracting 35 from 90 on the right side. Bad. 10k equals 125. K equals 125 divided by 10, or 12.5. The correct answer for 23 is C, 12.5. Let's plug that back in and make sure it works. 12.5 times 10 is 125 minus the 35 does equal 90. That checks. That's the correct answer. Hopefully this will teach you a lesson. There is value in checking your results every time whenever you get a chance. Even the best of you will make a mistake somewhere along the line.